Alright, so we're in the shed just doing some work on the RC boat, and I know this motor is probably going to look a little bit different to a lot of people, and obviously it's because it is. So this here is a Homelite ST155. Yeah, I think this motor came from, I think, like a reuse center. I'm pretty sure I bought it a while ago for about $20, and yeah, I don't know what happened to the rest of it. I think I just cut it up and used it and then saved the motor. It is a 25cc, but it's a bigger 25cc. The motor, and I should say the carb itself, can be interchangeable with the old one here. So, you know what? I'll show you a comparison. So we've got old motor, new motor. So you can see the size difference. I'm starting to believe that this probably wasn't 25, it was probably 20. So this is a 25cc Homelite made in the good old USA, so why not? I mean, obviously I don't live in the USA, I live in Australia, but it seems to be a quality motor. And what I like about it, it's got the fuel tank, it's got the on-off switch over here, it has the pull starter at the front, so it's kind of an all-in-one package. With this, yeah, I mean, it's got the pull starter, but I've still got to wire up a kill switch, but I've also got to reroute a fuel tank somewhere as well. But not only that, is I remember probably about 6 years ago when I started this motor, what an absolute pain it was. And it wasn't because it didn't run, it ran super good, but the compression was so high that it was quite a challenge to turn it over. Now, it was almost like it was too much compression. This one here seems like it'll start easy, has just enough compression, that way you're not struggling to constantly fight against the compression to get it started. Reminds me of the cheap 49cc CAG pocket bikes. They're good, but trying to start those engines, anyone that has one of them or knows someone that has, knows that the pull starter just gets ripped out of your hands, and it's just a nightmare to start if they don't start the first time. So you can see anyway what a massive difference it is. Now obviously this motor has ran, this is not tested. You know, I'll probably just make the mounts, and then that'll be it, and I'll just place it in the boat, but I won't actually mount anything physically directly to the actual hull itself just yet. But I think that's the motor we're going to go with. This one here, I really kind of had concerns about starting this motor and just ripping the whole motor out of this thing, because I knew what just a pain the pull starter and the compression was. So it's been a fairly long day here. So we've got the new Homelite 25cc going in. Got the nose all done, it's just gluing and drying. But we've kind of worked on this little bad boy here, and it's just a cool little organizer. Organize just your parts and whatever else. So that'll be on my channel. And yeah, so I hope everyone can like, comment and subscribe and tell me what they thought. Just I think an overall better package. I know that I can just switch the carbs out, they're the same, they're just Walbros, and yeah, that's it. So I could still do some sort of a custom exhaust, but the whole thing's probably going to need a clean up, and if that sounds okay and works fine, I might just leave it. So anyway guys, like I say, like, comment and subscribe, it really helps me out.